Hi there, welcome back to AI Homes. Today, we'll take you through a step-by-step journey on how to harness the power of AI in crafting engaging and impactful content. Idea generation is the cornerstone of effective content creation, and AI tools play a pivotal role in this process. Leveraging the power of AI, content creators can access a treasure trove of data and insights to formulate compelling ideas. Perplexity AI is to support idea generation in a multitude of ways. By leveraging its robust language models and advanced natural language understanding, content creators can pose open-ended queries or specific topics of interest, and Perplexity AI will churn out a wealth of relevant information and suggestions. One of the key strengths of Perplexity AI is its ability to analyze and synthesize a wide array of content, making it a rich source of diverse perspectives and data. Content creators can explore trending topics, identify gaps in existing content, and uncover unique angles to approach a subject. Perplexity AI provides immediate insights and creative prompts, ensuring that you stay in the flow of your content creation process. It tailors its suggestions to align seamlessly with your creative vision, adapt to your unique needs and writing style. Crafting an attention-grabbing title is a critical element of your content strategy. AI tools optimize titles for both search engines and human readers. By analyzing keyword trends and competition, AI can generate titles that are not only SEO-friendly but also captivating. Tool like Great Headlines dramatically changes the way headlines and titles are created for content creators. Great Headlines offers a rapid and efficient means to generate compelling titles. Great Headlines extends its utility across a spectrum of content types, from blog posts and articles to social media captions and email subject lines, making it an all-encompassing AI tool that caters to the diverse needs of content creators. It is the AI tool that not only streamlines the title writing process but also enhances the impact and reach of content by creating headlines that resonate with readers, viewers, and audiences across the digital landscape. Writing can be a time-consuming process, but AI tools can significantly expedite it. 𝐂𝐻'𝐿 enables individuals and businesses to effortlessly craft a wide array of content types that resonate with their audience, from persuasive articles that capture attention to engaging product descriptions that drive sales, insightful blog posts, catchy slogans, compelling emails, eye-catching video hooks, and shareable social media posts. 𝐂𝐻'𝐿 understands the nuanced requirements of each content type, ensuring that the resulting output is tailored to suit the intended purpose. 𝐂𝐻'𝐿 seamlessly guides them through the art of content creation, granting them the freedom to focus on their ideas and concepts. 𝐂𝐻'𝐿's user-friendly interface ensures a smooth and intuitive experience, reducing the need for extensive manual intervention. It's a cost-effective solution as well, offering free account options with daily credits, ensuring that budgetary constraints don't hinder the creative process. Visual content is a powerful engagement tool, and AI makes its creation more accessible than ever. AI-powered tools can convert your ideas into visually appealing graphics, images, and videos. 𝐂𝐻'𝐿 combines with GPT-3 technology, allowing individuals to transform mere text prompts into captivating visual marvels. 𝐂𝐻'𝐿 offers not just a single style but a plethora of artistic expressions. Whether one prefers a cartoonish charm, realistic photographic precision, or abstract avant-garde creations, 𝐂𝐻'𝐿 adapts to diverse tastes and preferences. Content creators, whether writers, bloggers, or marketers, will find 𝐂𝐻'𝐿 to be a valued asset. 𝐂𝐻'𝐿 helps them enhance content with eye-catching and original visuals, complementing their text to captivate their audience. SEO optimization is a vital step to ensure your content reaches its intended audience. WriterZen, all-in-one SEO content workflow tool, is meticulously crafted to expedite the entire content creation process, especially in the realms of writing and keyword research. Topic research with WriterZen goes beyond basic keyword data, providing you with in-depth keyword insights. With WriterZen, you can discover hundreds of highly focused clustered topics derived from a single keyword. This invaluable resource empowers you to plan and create months' worth of content with precision and ease. Keyword Explorer in WriterZen simplifies the keyword research process. No more dealing with cumbersome spreadsheets and endless hours of manual keyword organization. With WriterZen, you can effortlessly import, analyze, cluster, and construct your content plans, streamlining your workflow and saving you valuable time. To truly excel in content creation, your writing should not only be error-free but also engaging and informative. AI tools offer recommendations to elevate your writing, providing suggestions to improve readability, clarity, and overall quality. 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶𝐄𝐓'𝐻 advanced writing editor is equipped with cutting-edge algorithms that empower users to craft content that is not just captivating but also persuasive, forging a profound connection with their audience. 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶𝐄𝐓'𝐻 allows content creators to craft content in a language that speaks directly to their target audience, ensuring maximum impact. The tool also excels in style transformation, providing expert advice on enhancing the style and tone of the content, rendering it more engaging and professionally presented. 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶 offers suggestions for content enhancements, helping content creators identify and rectify areas in need of improvement. This AI tool also excels in streamlining content organization, making it clear and reader-friendly. We've explored the practical steps of creating content with AI tools, highlighting the tremendous value they bring to the content creation process. To explore the full potential of AI in content creation, we encourage you to check out AI Homes, where you can discover a wide range of AI tools designed to boost your productivity and creativity.